Welcome to the 1 Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit black and gold filter in Lightroom. Subscribe to our channel to watch daily Lightroom preset and get free every preset we upload. Let's start editing. First go to the profile and select Artistic 4 filter. And bring amount to 30. Then go to the basic. And bring temperature to +20. +10 for tint. Contrast -85. And highlights -100. Shadows to +80. Whites -100. And blacks -60. Next go to the presence. Bring texture to -20. And +35 to clarity. Dehaze +20. +40 to vibrance. And saturations +20. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Hue -35. Saturations -30. And luminance -5. Next go to the orange. -10 to hue. Saturations -15. And luminance +20. For yellow bring hue and saturations to -100. And luminance to +100. Next bring hue to +100. Saturations and luminance to -100. For green and aqua. Then go to the blue. Hue -60. Saturations -70. And -42 for luminance. Finally bring saturations to -100 for both purple and magenta. Next go to the details. Make sharpening to 20. And masking 10. Next go to the noise reduction. And make luminance noise reduction to 10. Also contrast to 15. Finally go to the effect and bring vignette to -10. And finished. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.